Veganuary, day 9. Today I'm making another family favorite, shepherd's pie. I looked it up and apparently cottage pie is made with beef mince and shepherd's pie is made with lamb mince. So maybe we should call this superheroes pie, since vegans are superheroes helping to save the planet. Start off by preheating your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Boil 5 large potatoes for 15 minutes. Mash with 60 milliliters of vegan butter, 60 milliliters of oat milk. I'm just gonna estimate here. Melt 30 milliliters of vegan butter into a pan. Cook 1 large chopped onion and 2 stalks of chopped celery for 5 minutes until the onions are translucent. Add 250 milliliters of sliced mushrooms and cook for 5 minutes. You can add more mushrooms if you like. I'm like a hobbit, I love mushrooms, so I probably have 500 milliliters of mushrooms in here. Add 600 grams of vegan mince. I like Yeeves. And I just add 2 packets. 2 large sliced carrots, 125 milliliters of peas, 125 milliliters of corn, 60 milliliters of soy sauce, and 500 milliliters of vegan beef stock. I used McCormick here. Simmer for 10 minutes and season with salt and pepper to taste. Place in a baking dish and cover with mashed potatoes. It's already kind of cooked, so you only need to broil it in the oven for 10 minutes. And that'll give it a nice crust. And yeah. Enjoy your superhero pie. That's so good.